बोटींतल्यान क्रॉस केला आसतलें. बऱ्याच जणांनी ती न्हंय पिवन सुद्दां क्रॉस केल्या. खूब जणांनी ती ब्रिजा वयल्यान क्रॉस केल्या. मांडवी न्हंयचेर 2 पूल आशिल्ले. मांडवी न्हंयचेर 3रो पूल बांदपाचें काम ते स्वर्गेस्त माजी मुख्यमंत्री मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर हांच्यांनी केलें आनी तें डिस्टन्स खूब कमी केलें. आज म्हाका सांगता आसतना खूब खोस भोगता आनी मनाक खूब आनंदय जाता. शिक्षण क्षेत्रांतलो मांडवी नांवाचो नवीन पूल बांदपाची संद ही प्रसाद लोलयेकर हांच्यांनी म्हाका दिली. त्या बद्दल निश्चितच हांव खरोखरूच तांचे मनाकाळजांतल्यान आभार मानतां. आयज पर्यंत मांडवीक फक्त पूल म्हणून म्हणजे चलत वचपी हेवटेंतल्यान तेवटेन वचपी पूल म्हणून वळखताले. त्याच मांडवीक न्हंयक म्हाका दिसता त्याच मांडवीक आमी शैक्षणीक क्षेत्रांतलो पूल गांवांतले कितलेशेच विद्यार्थी तांकां म्हाका दिसता स्टुडंट्सांक जे ऑनलायन कोर्सीस करपाक शक्य नाशिल्ले, जांकां डायरेक्ट कोर्सीस करप शक्य नाशिल्ले, तांकां ऑनलायन माध्यमांतल्यान कोर्सीस ह्या मांडवी ह्या चॅनलांतल्यान करपाक मेळटले. हें पळोवन खरोखरूच खूब खूब बरें दिसता. ह्या इनिशिएटिवांत आसलेल्या सगळ्यांचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन. For the launch of this program, along with me, it's Professor Jagat Prakash Nadda, Sri Director of the CEC, Puneet Kumar, CS of Government of Goa, Dr. Kavita Asnani, Nodal Officer for the MOOC, Dr. Ravi Dhawan, Secretary of Education, Prasad Lolekar, Director of Higher Education, Vittal Tevi, all the dignitaries among the audience. As we are aware, the India's National Education Policy 2020 recommends the assess equality in education, and Director of Higher Education being the nodal officer for implementing of NEP 2020 for the state of Goa is working both in the principle and in action to transform and landscapes the higher education. The DHE has undertaken the several digital initiatives which the majority includes the IAIMs, Distavo, and now the massive open online course MOOC is one of the latest educational globalization initiatives. This initiative aims to use the advanced in the technology by mentoring and training the facility centers at the high quality MOOC course and through the flagship programs, the mentoring and narrating digital and virtual initiatives, the Mandavi. This course will subsequently be posted by the National Platform Study, the web of the active learning for the young aspiring minds, which is Swayam, in the credit of transfer mode. The Swayam is a platform initiative by the Government of India to offer the various courses which the students can pursue online, and the Consortium for the Educations and Communications CEC, and in the national coordinator designated by the Ministry of Education for the Swayam MOOC. The novel approach of the DHE is to develop the MOOC through the production-based workshop by bringing together the academic expertise from the higher education institutions and creative directors from the film industry with the MOOC course. It is obtained as an outcome of the workshop. The MOOC course are being developed as a 4-credit course which is proposed and offered in the credit transfer mode. The course developed has been done and with the quality approach in collaborative mode by the faculty and other human resource from the higher education institutes, and along with the experts from the industry and scientists from the research institutions. The DHE aims to develop the high quality content based on the creative and novel ideas that can be benefited very large number of learners across the globes. Now, they have taken the 5 MOOC courses, and which is an music, analytical chemistry, geology, microbiology, and biochemistry. I think this course development for the music and analytic chemistry has completed, and as a stepping stone in this direction, the DHE will launch the Mandavi program today, and the DHE had already signed the MOU with the CEC also, and handing over the 2 MOOC program for this to CEC. By signing this MOU, the DHE's intent to democratize the educational content and realize the vision of our Indian culture in terms of Sa Vidya Vimnuyakte. The high quality of education should not be available to just only the small group of the privileged student, but to everyone who is willing to learn. As the Chief Minister of the state, I have the target of the self-sufficient, the Swayambhurna Goy, in every sector, in the agriculture, industry, also in the education sector. And with such unique initiatives being floated by our higher DHE, I am quite sure that we will achieve the excellence and become the role model for the other states. I congratulate Mr. Prasad Lolekar and entire team who had hard work for the MOOC and also for the Mandavi programs. Really, I think definitely they'll do better in future also. So once again, my congratulations for the Director of Higher Education. म्हाका दिसता आधादिका अमृत महोत्सव ह्या काळात आमी अशा पद्दतीच्यो आनी नवरात्रेच्या शुभ मुहूर्ताचेर सुरवात केल्लो आयचो हो कोर्स आमकां अवेरनेस करची पडटली अशा स्टुडंट्सां कडेन गेले कितलेशेच ऑनलायन कोर्सीस तुमी सगळे जाण करपाक शकता आनी ते करपाची गरज आसा. हांव ज्या वेळार जेन्ना एखाद्या कोर्साक पळयता की डिझायरेबल कॅन्डिडेट्स इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. So many qualifications is required. म्हणजे बरेचशे फावटी हांव पळयता की सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट इन मास्टर इन आर्किटेक्ट दर इज कॅन्डिडेट इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. Someone is coming from the other states, he is taking so many especially in health sector. Especially in the health sector, there is a course is related with the X-ray technician, course is related with the dietitian. These types of courses still now it is not available in the state of Goa. I think म्हाका अशा पद्दतींतले वेगवेगळे जे ऑनलायन आमी घेवपाक आनी आमकां एक्चुअली टेक्निकल फोर्स जी गरज आसता त्या टेक्निकल फोर्साक ह्या पद्दतींत ऑनलायन कोर्सिसाक निश्चितच रित्या म्हणजे स्किल्ड मॅन पावर स्टेटीत तयार जावपा खातीर ही बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आमकां DHEत अवेलेबल करून दिल्ली आसा. जे ऑलरेडी म्हणजे इन सर्वीस आसात, जे ऑलरेडी ग्रॅज्युएशन पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन जावन घरा कडेन आसात, आपल्या नोकरेची खंय तरी वाट पळयता म्हाका केन्ना नोकरी मेळटली काय म्हणून. ताच्या खातीर एडिशनल क्वॉलिफिकेशन्स घेवपाची, एडिशनल आपल्याक सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स घेवपाची आनी आपल्याक अपग्रेड करपाचो. आनी म्हाका दिसता कॉम्पीट करता आसतना नॉट ओन्ली कॉम्पीट इन द स्टेट बट आय विल कॉम्पीट इट इज द नॅशनली आनी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर सुद्दां हें कॉम्पीट करपाची संद आज आमकां DHEत अवेलेबल करून दिल्ली आसा. म्हज्या समेस्त गोंयांतल्या म्हज्या सगळ्या भाव भयणीक हांव आव्हान करता, स्पेशली फॉर द यंग भुरग्यांक जे पास आउट जावन फक्त म्हाका केन्ना तरी गव्हर्मेंटाचीच नोकरी मेळटली म्हणून जे वाट पळयता तांच्या खातीर आपले एडिशनल क्वॉलिफिकेशन्स करपाची ही नवीन संदी आसा. आनी ह्या संदीचो फायदो जर घेतलो आसत जाल्यार आमी जो म्हणटा की आमचो रेट वाडत आसा तो रेट वाडचो ना, तो रेट कमी जावपाची संद आसा. त्या खातीर निश्चितच म्हणजे यंग टॅलंटेड मायंड्स माझे फ्रेंड्स जे आसा तांच्यांनी ह्या संदीचो पुरेपूर फायदो घेवचो आनी निश्चितच ते सगळे जाण ह्या संदीचो फायदो घेतले आनी नवीन म्हणजे ऑनलायन कोर्सीस करपाचो संद केन्ना सोडचे ना इतकेंच सांगता. आनी परत एकदां आधादिका अमृत महोत्सवाच्यो हांव शुभेच्छा दिता, नवरात्रीच्योय सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दिता आनी म्हाजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramodji Sawant, for taking your time out and for inaugurating